Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Mailgun easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Type in the URL for Mailgun's official website. Once the page loads, look for the sign up button typically located in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to initiate the subscription process. You will be directed to a registration page. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password and enter it in the corresponding box. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box indicating that you accept these terms. Next, click on the Create Account button to proceed. You may need to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Mailgun. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, you'll be taken to a setup page for your account. Follow the prompts to complete your account setup. You will need to provide some additional details about your business. Fill in the required fields with accurate information. After entering all necessary details, click on Continue or Next. You may select a pricing plan that suits your needs. Choose from the available options, including any free trial if applicable. After selecting your plan, enter your payment information if required. Review your information to ensure everything is correct. Your Mailgun account is now created and ready for use. You can log in with your email and password to access your dashboard. Explore the features available to help you manage your email services effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.